Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what we're going to talk about is the easy way to make passive income. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, let's get right into the video and the best way to make passive income. So how are you going to make passive income? Well, the best way is to actually make review videos. So you're going to review things like anything that you find in your house. So if you're interested in tech maybe, or cameras or anything, like find maybe a camera that you really enjoy and just film it. You don't even have to show your face when you're doing that. Just review whatever you want. Like find things around your house. That's the first step. Find things that you have already, you know, whether it's a coffee machine, whether it's a camera, whether, you know, it's a bike, it doesn't really matter. But what you do is you start reviewing things and you put in the right keywords. So you just say what's good about it, what you absolutely love, tell them why it's not that good in that sense and why maybe another product could be good. And you could also make comparison videos. So if you have two different coffee machines, you can compare the two and tell them why this one is better for that type of people and this other one is better for some other people. And what you're going to do is you're going to create videos like this, like all the time, at least once a week, and just start doing that, start doing reviews. And what you're going to do with that is start putting the link in the description. Now, you're not going to put any link. What you're going to do is you're going to find someone who actually sells these items. Maybe it's Amazon, maybe it's something else. But what you're going to do is you're going to find them and sign up for the affiliate links. Now, I suggest that if you can't find other than Amazon, then absolutely do that because it works. But usually Amazon has a lot smaller like commissions to it. So if you sell an item through Amazon, you will not get that good of a commission. However, if you sell from somebody else, like the original thing, then you will probably get a way better commission. If you're doing that, like Amazon is probably the best way to do that. If you're using something else, like maybe it's, you know, some software, maybe it's a course that you really enjoy, maybe it's something else, what you're going to do is you're actually going to go to Clickbank because everybody knows about Clickbank. Like if you don't know about it, that's okay if you're just starting out, but Clickbank is a platform where people actually go to get their affiliate links. So there are a ton of affiliate programs. That's what it's about. So all you have to do is sign up to Clickbank and then just, you know, advertise whatever you want and you get a link. So you can advertise pretty much anything. There's a million different niches, so you can absolutely do that. So if you're doing software, Clickbank is probably the one to go. If you're making review videos, then that's probably another one, like that's probably Amazon. Now there is another one, but that's something that I talk about. It's a bit longer to talk about, so I have that in the link in the description. So if you want to see my #1 recommendation on what you can do, then I suggest that you click on that in the description and you'll find out everything about it. So that's the first thing, you review things around your house. The next step that you can do is actually focus on a niche. So maybe you're doing tech, so focus on tech. Maybe you only want to do some things that have to do with coffee. So review, I don't know, coffee cups, coffee machines, all that stuff that's really maybe a higher end like channel. So you really want to focus on one thing. Maybe it's bicycles. Bicycles are quite expensive, so you can absolutely sell them and make better commissions. And there are a ton of different ways to do that. So Like, just choose a niche that you actually enjoy. And maybe like you want to create, you know, some passive income. In that case, I also recommend that you check out my #1 recommendation, and that is probably the best thing that you can advertise. But you know, you can review anything around your house, and that is how you can make passive income the easiest way, because you can be asleep and people can actually click on your link no matter what you're doing. Maybe you're sleeping, maybe you're going out, maybe you're doing something else. I don't care what you're doing, but you can absolutely do that. So, with that being said, this was my video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed. If you did, make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.